So first is we calculate the MUS sample size. The formula of sample size is population times expected misstatement divided with tolerable misstatements. So that's equals 6 millions. It's come from total account receivables times 90,000 expected misstatement. It's come and divided with 300,000. It is tolerable misstatements. That's equals 6 millions times 0.3, and it is equals 1.8 million. So what about the sampling intervals? This equals population divided the sample size. That is 6 million divided 1.x. It's come from this. The sample size is come from this 1.8. So that equals 3.33 intervals of samplings, or it can be called like 3 to 4 interval. So in B, why MUS is suitable? First, because the MUS is more helpful in tracking of the larger value items. It's more tracking in the high money transactions. So because of that is very risky, and it can be influence of the maturity. That's thing what is meaning of this at first. And second, account receivables usually involve overstatement risk. It means account receivables, it can be overstate because of the, like for examples, we record next year at January, but we recorded in the December. It is cannot do it that things because it's not the periods of the recording of account receivables. The recording should be in January. It can make its overstatement risk. It can make overstatement of the account receivables. So MUS try to cover it, the account receivables. And third is strong at detecting materials misstatement that affect profit. Usually MUS is related with the profit. It is income statement usually. So MUS, the goals of MUS is detecting of the overstatement risk that's have related also in the profits, because usual overstatement is in the profit. Okay, next is we compute the projected misstatement. So we know the book value from equation and the audited value. Book value is 55,000 and audited value is 46,000. The difference is 9,000. It is the overstatement. So the formula of projected misstatement is equals population divided the sample item book value times detected misstatements. 6 million is come from total account receivables divided with 55,000 is come from book value times 9,000. It's come from the difference of the overstatements. That's equal 109.09 times 9,000. This equals 981,818. This is projected misstatement. Okay, next is we see after we calculate this, we can see this what about the fairness of the account receivables. So we going to fairness evaluation. Tolerable misstatement is 300,000. Projected misstatement is 981,818. This above the tolerable misstatement. The result from this is materiality misstated because projected is above then tolerant misstatement. It is right because of this above the projected misstatement. So what should auditor do if it's happened? First, it expands substantive testing. This increasing MUS sample. Second is assess whether a misstatement indicate controls deficiencies, and if all this the management cannot do it all this or cannot choose one option of this or it is refuse the adjustment, auditors should consider about the modified the audit opinion. I think like that's for the question number 2. Thank you.